Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
First, make sure your iPhone has a working internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Settings and verify Wi-Fi or cellular is turned on and connected. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings and enable iCloud Sync for Safari to share bookmarks and tabs. If Safari is missing, open Screen Time and check content and privacy restrictions to allow the app. Restart the phone after changes to apply network and restriction settings before launching Safari. Open Settings and scroll to Safari to customize browsing behavior and privacy. Choose a default search engine such as Google, DuckDuckGo, or Bing for faster searches. Enable JavaScript to ensure interactive websites work correctly when needed. Toggle block pop-ups and prevent cross-site tracking to reduce unwanted content and tracking. Manage cookies and site data to allow or block storage per your privacy needs. Configure Reader and show reader options to improve readability on long articles. If pages fail to load, open Settings then Cellular and allow Safari to use cellular data when needed. Try clearing history and website data in Safari settings to remove corrupted cache and cookies. Disable content blockers temporarily to confirm they are not breaking a site. Reset network settings under General if Wi-Fi or cellular remains unreliable. Keep iOS updated to the latest version for Safari fixes and security. Reinstall Safari from the App Store if you deleted it, and use private mode for temporary browsing without saving history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.